Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today we've got a very interesting video for you. This is a 2020 Royal Enfield Continental GT, and we can see the engine is torn down a great deal. This bike came in with a problem we've never seen before. There was an oil leak coming from this base gasket here for the cylinder jug, and we'll get into why we think that was leaking. But we can see the state of disassembly it's in. We have the seat removed, the gas tank. Of course, we've got the head down here. We can check out those valve springs. We've got two valves for intake, two valves for exhaust, our original head gasket. And we are using new factory parts. We have a new head gasket right here, and you can even get those on our e-store. So that'll be linked in the video for you to click on right now. We sell upgrades and accessories as well, not just factory parts, so keep that in mind. And I will note, we don't know for sure, but it seems like this bike was stored outside. We can see all of the oxidization in these intake boots here. And we have some parts on our bench. There's the oxidization on the throttle bodies here, but we can see these two little throttle bodies with a fuel rail and our injectors with that modern EFI system. We have our rocker assemblies over here, rocker arm assemblies. So actually, when you go to set your valve clearance as part of the maintenance, these are what you're adjusting. And we have our camshaft here. And an interesting thing with this camshaft, we've got adjustability with the cam gear here with these two areas where it bolts on. You can loosen those and slip it forward and back if you need to dial in that timing. And once again, we see the oxidization on the cylinder head, because of course this is just bare aluminum. So definitely if you're storing your Continental, just be wary of if it's in a high kind of moisture area, as this can happen, unfortunately. And we think this is part of why that gasket started leaking. But we can see the tank, a painted surface. We can see that doesn't really look affected. It's held up really great. So now, as far as why we think this started leaking, we sell hundreds of these bikes a year, and we've actually never seen this before. And this bike is still in warranty, so warranty is covering this, but it was leaking from this front edge of the cylinder jug gasket. And we were thinking with a little bit of oxidization on the aluminum surfaces, maybe that started to push up on the gasket. We don't really know 100%, but of course this is getting new factory gaskets. And of course, while we're in here, we inspected everything else, condition of the cylinders, etc., and everything looks great. We're just gonna clean it up where it needs to be and put it back together. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough Service Center. I hope this video was interesting. Definitely hit that like button. We do see your support and we appreciate it. And subscribe so then you don't miss the daily motoring content that we offer.